ibutho loKhetshe lifake isilumkiso ecaleni kwamagama kaBushiri nowakwakhe kumbutho wamapolisa wehlabathi Interpol ukuba ezi sibini sibanjwe apho sibonwa khona.
Basically what it means is that we notify our counterparts who are signatories of Interpol that we are looking for these suspects absconded from this country, running away from being prosecuted. So what is going to happen is it allows that law enforcement in a different arrest a suspect should they see them.
Ngaphandle kwesilumkiso sokubanjwa ye-Interpol, iqalile inkqubo yokuba umprofeti uBushiri nenkosikazi yakhe uMary babuyisele kweli loMzants'Afrika bazokuma emkhumbini wamatyala, kodwa lo nkqubo ayaziwa iza kuthabatha ixesha elingakanani.
The process is ongoing. When we were applying for the notice with Interpol, the extradition papers were also being handed in.
IiHawks zithi icekwa alalanga nazo ngokuqhwesha kaBushiri nowakwakhe.
The Bushiris are to blame because they contravened what the court has asked from them and their lawyers.
But you were aware of the potential risk.
We're not going to have a conversation.
You were aware of the potential risk, though, that they could fall. So you should have policed them better.
That's why, as I said previously, the Hawks and the prosecution did oppose bail, vehemently so. So the outcome of the decision came from a different level, from the magistrate.
Umprofeti uBushiri nenkosikazi yakhe bakhululwa inkundla kamantyi yasePitoli nge-200,000 rands umntu emnye, kwaye bajongene namatyala aquka ubuqhophololo, ubusela nokugudisa imali engaphaya kwekhulu lezigidi zerandi.